Good morning, students. Today we shall start exercise 8.2, in which we will be learning about conversion of bigger units into smaller units. Okay, let's check question number 1. Convert into millimeters. The question is given as 9.8 centimeters. Centimeter is bigger unit and millimeter is smaller unit. It means we are converting from bigger to smaller. Okay, so let's start. Today's date is 16/9/2020 and see here, look at here, the question has given 9.8 centimeter, and here see we are moving from centimeter to millimeter. It means bigger to smaller we are coming. What we need to do? Multiply, and the see the difference is of 10. Okay, so you can write in bracket beside the question 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. We are converting from centimeter to millimeter. Okay, so what you need to do? 9.8 into 10. I have already told you, whenever we are converting from bigger to smaller, we are multiplying. Okay, so it will be multiplied by 10. Okay, so 9.8 into 10 millimeter. Okay, 9.8 into 10 millimeter equals to 98 millimeter. This is the solution. This is the way you have to solve this question. Okay, let's do one more question from this part. Okay, let's do question number C, 1.29 decimeter. Question number C, 1.29 decimeter. See here, we are converting from decimeter to millimeter. The question is given decimeter to millimeter. See here, look at here, decimeter to millimeter. Again we are moving from bigger to smaller. Again what you need to do? Multiplication. See the difference, 10 into 10, 100. So here 1 decimeter equals to 100 millimeter, you can write. Okay, 1 decimeter equals to 100 millimeter. Clear? Now see solution. 1.29 into 100 millimeter. Okay, so 1.29. See, when you are multiplying with 10, at the time of multiplication the decimal moves to the right. Okay, there are 2 zeros, so it will move to 2 decimal places. So the answer will be 129 millimeter. Clear? Like this you have to solve other questions. So try other questions as B, D and E by yourself. Homework, question B, D and E. Okay, now let's do question number 2. What is given in question number 2? Convert into centimeters. Convert into centimeters. Okay, now what is the question? A is 7.9 decimeter. 7.9 decimeter, and the question is asking you to convert into centimeter. See the difference here, decimeter to centimeter. Again we are coming from bigger to smaller, and the difference is of 10. So you will be writing 1 decimeter equals to 10 centimeter. Clear? See here, you can solve 7.9 into 10, this 10 centimeter equals to, see there is a 0, so it will move, decimal will move to the right. Okay, one decimal place is right. So 7.9 will be 79 centimeter. Clear? Let's do one more question from question number 2. Question number D, we are doing 12.12 meter. 12.12 meter. Question number D, 12.12 meter. See here, meter to centimeter we are going to move. Okay, meter to centimeter. Similarly, see, it is meter. We are coming from meter to centimeter. This we are multiplying. 10 into 10 is 100. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Clear? Now see. So multiply 12.12 into this 100. See, there are two zeros. So this decimal will move two places right. 1, 2, 1, 2, what? Centimeter. Clear? Like this, you have to do question number 2 also. So rest of all questions from question 2 are homework for you. B, C, E. Homework. Question number B, C, and E. Okay. Now let's move to question number 3. Let's move to question number 3. Convert into decimeter. Convert into decimeter. Question number 3. Okay. 1.9 meter. We are converting 1.9 meter into decimeter. Okay. Once again, create this metric measure for yourself. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer, and kilometer. Now say the question is asking you to convert into decimeter. Convert into decimeter. Okay, and the question is given in meter. So we are coming from meter to decimeter. Multiplication, and the difference is of 10 only. So here you can write 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter. dm is the decimeter. Okay, see how to solve this. So 1.9 into 10, this. Okay, 10 decimeter. See, 1.9, the decimal will move to the right as you are multiplying here. So 1.9 into 10 is 19 decimeter. Clear? 19 decimeter. So we have done one question. Let's do one more question. Question number D. Question number D. What is given in question number D? 4.008 kilometer. 4.008 kilometer. Okay, now see, kilometer to decimeter we have to move. Here it is kilometer. See, kilometer to decimeter. Multiplication, see the difference. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, so 1 kilometer equals to 10,000 decimeter. Clear? Okay, now 4.008 into 10,000 decimeter. Clear? As we are converting into decimeter. Clear? Now see how many zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. Okay, 4 zeros are there, and here see, after decimal only 3 digits are there. Okay, so what you need to do, for this will move to the decimal will move to the right of the digits. Okay, see, there are only 3 digits, so you need to add 1 0. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. This will move to the right of the digits. Okay, now the answer will be 40,080 decimeter. Clear? So like this you have to do question number 3 also. Now question number 4. In this question it is asking you to convert into meters. Okay, convert into meters. So we know 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. Clear? 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters. So what will you do? 3.2 into 1000 meter you have to do. Okay, leave it. 3.2, there are 3 zeros, so the decimal will move to the 3 places right to the number. Okay, so 3200 meter. Clear? Okay, now let's move to question number 5. We know the method is same in all the questions, so rest of all questions from question number 4 you have to try by yourself. Question number B, C and D. Clear? Now move to question number 5. Convert. The question is asking you to convert. Okay, see here you have to read the question carefully. 5.3 centimeter into centimeter and millimeter. The question is asking you to convert into centimeter and millimeter. See, the whole thing is what? It is given in centimeter. We need to convert this into centimeter and millimeter. Okay, 5.3 centimeter, it is already in centimeter. This part is already in centimeter. Okay, and you need to convert this into millimeter. Okay, now see, you will be writing it like this: 5 plus 0.3 centimeter. Okay, you can say that 5 is also centimeter. Now this is already centimeter, so 5 centimeter plus 0.3 centimeter you need to convert it to. Here we know 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So 0.3 will be multiplied by 10 millimeter. Clear? So the answer will be 5 centimeter. 0.3, see there is a 0 in 10, 1 0, so this decimal will move to the right of one digit. Okay, this is 5 centimeter 3 millimeter is the answer. Okay, like this you have to solve this exercise. Rest of all questions you have to do by yourself. Okay, thank you.